In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a stunning logo using Wix Logo Maker in just 5 minutes. Creating a logo that represents your brand can seem daunting, but with Wix Logo Maker, the process becomes not only simple but also enjoyable. Whether you're starting a new business or looking to refresh an existing brand, this step-by-step guide will help you create a professional logo with ease. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Wix Logo Maker website. This is where all the magic will happen. Once you're there, you'll see an option to get my logo. Clicking this will begin guiding you through the process. Next, you'll see the Create a Logo button. Click on it to proceed. If you're prompted with an option to use the chat feature, feel free to select Create without chat so you can streamline your experience and focus directly on the design process. Now, you'll want to provide some foundational information about your business. The first question you'll encounter is, what type of business do you have? Here you'll fill in your industry or business type, which helps tailor your logo's design elements to fit your specific market. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Next. Following this, you will be asked about the vibe you want your logo to convey. Think of adjectives like modern, classic, playful, or elegant, and make a selection based on the personality you want your brand to channel. This part of the process is crucial as the look and feel of your logo should align with the essence of your brand. After making your choice, click Next to advance. The next step involves inputting the text for your logo. This is where you specify your business name and optionally a tagline if you have one. Your business name is the core text your audience will recognize, so make sure it's clear and iconic. Once you have entered these details, click on Next once again. Moving forward, you'll be presented with various logo designs tailored specifically for your business type and vibe. Here you can select a template that appeals to you. Wix Logo Maker gives you the flexibility to see how different designs might look with your chosen text and vibes. If you find a design you love, you're all set. But if you'd like to tweak any elements further, click Customize your logo. This option opens a suite of tools to help refine your logo's colors, fonts, and layout to better fit your aesthetic preferences. Spend a bit of time playing around here until your logo feels just right. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and a creative touch, you've crafted a logo that captures the imagination and essence of your business. Remember, your logo is more than just a design. It's a symbol of your brand's identity, a first impression that speaks volumes. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.